Thanks very much, Ewan. Now, we understand that RMB Ventures has a very interesting approach to the private equity market. Just tell us about the philosophy of RMB Ventures when it comes to empowering businesses in the private equity space.
The act of empowerment means different things in different contexts. But in the ventures context, I think empowerment requires deep partnership between ourselves and our portfolio companies and their management teams. And we can only create this if we have true, authentic, trusted relationships with these people, and that takes time. But our philosophy as a starting point requires this two-way trust and authentic partnership to work. With that partnership, I think different people naturally play different roles, and those roles work together to create value for all our stakeholders. And maybe let me use an analogy to illustrate what I'm saying. If you go to a show, imagine you've got a lead singer and you've got a pianist. The lead singer takes center stage. The lead singer is the star of the show. It is the lead singer that has the unique skills and capabilities that wow the audience. The pianist plays a different role. They're behind the scenes. They play a background role. Their role is not unimportant, but their role is to support and elevate the lead singer, the star. And I think in that analogy, we are the pianist. We play a role in the background. It's quiet. It's confident. It's not the star. But together with the lead singer, we create something that is really powerful. It allows the star, or in this case, the portfolio company, to achieve its full potential and really do something special together, the pianist and the star. And I think that's where we are.
Well explained. I mean, the analogy works well. So you don't seek to really control?
No, we don't. And I think we're good at empowering because we don't seek to control. We don't seek to be the star. Our business has been built over 30 years through taking minority positions in companies. We've sat with founders, we've sat with entrepreneurs, we've sat with families, we've sat with management teams, and we've listened and we've learnt what their problems are, what their fears are, where their aspirations lie. And we've taken those learnings and refined our philosophy around empowerment in a minority sense to make it really fit for purpose in our market here in South Africa.
Just give us a sense of, the principles that RMB Ventures is founded on when it comes to the issue of value.
I mean, I think there's value in two contexts. There's the value we add, which is quite specific, and then there are the values that we represent. And I'm going to focus on the latter. We're very fortunate to work for or have a shareholder that has a set of defined values. That's FirstRand, where they speak of promises. And we have adopted those promises in our business, promises around alignment, around courage, around trust, around doing the right things. And we hold ourselves accountable to those promises. We go out and we tell our portfolio companies, these are our values, and hold us accountable to them. And I think that creates a very powerful dynamic and relationship that attracts us to a certain kind of person, but equally a certain kind of person is attracted to us because of this value set that we represent and the institution we work for represents.
And therefore, given hopefully the value alignment, that company that you invest in is able to fulfill its potential.
Absolutely. Alignment of values and then supplementing that with a very deliberate value creation approach for everyone's benefit, for all the stakeholders' benefit.